Hi, my name is Josh Townsend, CTO of Imagine, and today we're going to be covering information in regards to our patented impression scan bodies. Now you might be curious, what is an impression scan body? So for technicians, when proceeding through the digital route, you would either receive maybe a digital impression from your doctor or maybe a physical impression itself. Now really with those cases, you would have to pour up your stone model and then proceed with scanning from there using standard scan bodies. These scan bodies give you the ability to actually scan directly from the impression itself for your implant cases. One of the very first benefits of these scan bodies is the fact that you can actually proceed with single unit implant restorations modelless. Now next benefit, the fact that from this impression itself, you have great tissue data to actually be able to scan with no obstructions. Another benefit, the fact that you do not have any screw access holes on these scan bodies itself, it helps you achieve better alignment during your CAD design. One of your last benefits for today, at least, is full arch prosthetics, as you can see from this impression itself. Now, do keep in mind that currently, for an automated scanning process, this is only going to be available through DOF Scan App software.